Hello, this is a recording just so you can learn how to use the templates for the color charts. So what you do is you'll get this, and here, this big old circle right here, you're just going to click it, and it's actually going to take you to the template. And this is what shows up. Now what you want to do is use template for a new design, because that's what you're doing. You're doing a new design. So all you do is you click on that. It's going to take you straight to Canva. And here you go. This is actually the template you're going to use. You'll have the option to choose between available colors, this available colors, and this available colors. All it is they have different fonts. I like, what is it? This one right here. I think that one's pretty. Of course, if you really want to, you could change the font. All you have to do is right here where it says Brittany, that's the font this is. You can take it and choose any font you want. You want the apricots? You want this one? Whichever one that you like best, you can choose. You don't have to actually go with the ones that I chose. You can actually change them. And it won't affect it for future use because you did use template for new design. So here I kind of already started adding some colors here, and I used the edit template, which I should not have done, but I did. So that's why these are still here when you go up in there. But here's what you can do. So these are the colors. And again, it's really small, so let's maximize it so you can actually see it, which is this little right here. This is the zoom tool. So as you can see, we got the light green mango, all the colors for the Glittian, or the Comfort Colors 1717. So let's say you need the moss. It is so simple. We're going to scroll back out so it'll be easier. But here's the moss right here. So I'm going to highlight that. Actually, I'm going to highlight the name first. It'll make it easier since it's small. And then highlight that. And I'm going to copy it. Or, you can copy it with Control-C, or you can take it and just drag it down to the next page. And there it is. And then you put it here. Now, you can see it's smaller than the rest. If you want it to really stand out, I would suggest maximizing it. But remember, you have to fit the rest of them in there. So what I usually do is just bring it over as is. As whatever colors I need, I bring them over. Like I said, you can drag them or copy them. You're using this as a template for a new design, so it's not going to affect the original version. Now, I did bring that over. I didn't mean to, so I'm just going to delete that. And then just put it, kind of get it right from the start so you don't have to do any more extra work at the end. And just grab some and bring them over. We're only going to get a few of them just to show you how to do this. And now, what I want to do, you want to make it a little prettier to align them. So I'm going to highlight them. And I can't read them. I don't know, maybe you can. And then I'm going to make them bigger. Now, what you want to do is download this so that you can add it to your listing. So you go up to share, and then you scroll to download. And you do not want to do transparent background because you want this white background or else it won't show up. So then you hit this drop down arrow to select your pages. And you can do current page because that's the page we're on, page 2. Or if it comes up something different, you can just do page 2. And that'll do the same thing. And then hit done. And then hit download. And it'll usually go into your download folders. And then you just get it from there and upload it. It goes as a ping too. I didn't tell you that. So when you go to download, you can select how you want it. So if you want a JPEG, a PDF, print, SVG, a movie, a GIF, you can do whatever you want. Mine's default to ping, and I just download it as a ping and then upload it to Etsy. So that is actually how you do it. It is that simple. It seems so complicated, but it really isn't. So all you do is just highlight the ones you want. You can either do Control-C to copy, right-click it and copy it right here, and then paste it to whichever design you want. And again, don't forget, you can change the font as well. All you have to do is go right up here to where the font and also how big it is. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.